Hello, everyone, and welcome to another FX Centrum daily market analysis. For today, I decided to go through our cross asset list basically. So we'll cover coffee market, WTI, we'll speak about US 100, US 30, USD dollar Mexican peso, pound dollar, euro dollar, dollar index, Bitcoin, gold, aluminum, cocoa market. So I will start with the coffee market first. And of course, I will use our FX Centrum platform. And let's begin with the coffee market. So we have a daily time frame. We have no change relative to yesterday. So we still can see here that the coffee is trading in a defined trading range with a support at 218.20 and resistance at 239.64. We have, although a slow and fast line that are sloping to the downside, but still I would like to see the confirmation, the market confirmation, and the breakout of either support or resistance to turn further direction on the market. In case of the breakout of the support at 218.20, there will be a chance for a drop towards 197.5. In case of the upside breakout of 235, there will be potential chance of the rally towards 147.9. On the WTI, we had actually our trade idea for this week, and one of our trading ideas for this week was um, long on a WTI, long idea with a protective stop at 82.47, 82.50. I see that market actually didn't hit that level, and it's pretty much in the area where we posted that idea. But so far, what we can see here is that market went into a three-bar consolidation. That's not particularly good sign when we had to actually break out of the 10-day consolidation, and the very next 2 days are more like consolidation days. So this idea is still valid as long as the market can trade and hold above the 82.47 from my perspective. But still, I would like to see also the reconfirmation, maybe the re-break of this pin bar high. So, of this pin bar high at 84.55. Still upside objectives in case upside momentum are set at 86 level at 87.70 mark. A fast and slow line, we can see that we have potential down flip, fresh bear cross from the extended environment. So, and the hourly time frame went all over the place. So we can see yesterday's selling. We had absorption, and now market is pulling back. If we can see more buying power and more like a bull flag from here, there is a still chance, of course, higher prices. WTI. On the US 100, there was we had upside environment and 100 or like a 20,200 mark is now on the test. We have obviously a upside environment in the last few months, and we didn't change that. So here a fresh bull cross, and we also broke this supply trend line and the rate of change. And we can see already we had a 1 and 2 days. This is the third day, and the flip. There is a flip to the downside. So maybe short-term intraday we might see some downside movement today, but on the hourly time frame we had just break of the contraction and just very tight consolidation. Something similar we had here. So now we will see once the Bollinger Bands retract here, we will have a down break or an upside continuation. Again, because of the rate of change flip at this point and two low to high days, there is a chance for a down day today, but we still don't have any confirmation for that. So confirmation can be if the market trade below 20,130 or so, then open the door for potential full retest of the lows at around 2,000 mark. If not, if market can just hold above this middle Bollinger Band and so we just the natural pullback, will be a chance for upside continuation. The next lever to watch is the 20,400 mark, the upside for the 100. On the US 30, we didn't have that kind of strength like we saw on the US 100. Here we still have a consolidation almost for 10 days with resistance at 39,000, let's say 610, and board at 38,908. So this is a quite a lots of doji candles and so on the daily time frame. So I would like to see that The breakout of resistance can be a good sign for retest of 40,100. The breakout of support can be a chance for the drop towards 38,080 mark. Now we have a USD Japanese yen, so we can see that market is having this consolidation. It's pretty much an extended run. The daily time frame, we can see many up days versus down days in the last days or so. There is no significant sign of weakness. We have a fresh bear cross on the stochastic, and the rate of change, actually we have divergence, but still we had this sell-off yesterday, but market ended the close in the middle. So if the market can retrade, or let's say retake the pin bar lows, the market can retake pin bar lows, there is a still chance for a downside movement, potential pullback on a daily time frame on the USD. This is just in case if we take this pin bar low, because if we cannot take that, there is a still chance for higher prices. Maybe then the retest the 161, 162 mark, or then the next upside objective will be 160.70 mark. But this was actually quite a strong attempt, and we had quite a big rejection. So this can still be a sign of strength instead of a sign of weakness. A heavy P bar. So still upside environment, extended run, buyers are in control. But in case if we can take the pin bar lows, and so then we can have and a pullback on a daily time frame. But that's not the case at this point. So pay attention to this 161.70 mark or so. Clear that, we can open the door for higher prices. So Mexican peso is just in the consolidation. We have a resistance at 18.16, support at 17.90. Whole line is sloping to the downside, and fast line, if we want potential re-break to the downside. I will watch for a potential breakout of this consolidation or turn for correction market. On the pound dollar, we had actually up day and market. We had a test and kind of test reject of the upper Bollinger Band at 760. We had also, we can see here a fresh rate of change flip on a pound dollar to the downside, and also quite a big distance between fast and slow line. So it will be a kind of test. Do we have a reaction from sellers or not? Hard to say at this point. Market is holding relatively well the gains from yesterday, so you can see natural pullbacks, and so this is actually a bullish structure on the hourly time frame. I don't see any kind of reversal or any sign of weakness yet at this point. So if that's the case, and if we can just hold the gains from yesterday and so, then the next resistance level is set at 1.2800 mark. 1.2800 mark is the next resistance level. Weekly time frame is already in a heavy consolidation, I would say, the last 10 to 12 months. If you check monthly time frame or so, currency pair really like in consolidation for more than 12 months after this big sell-off 2021 and 2. On the euro dollar, we can see also that we had very similar charts. So there was a test of the upper Bollinger Band and quite a big run on the fast line. So the distance spread between the fast and slow and stochastic is quite big. And that can be actually very, there is always a sign for that potential downside move. So far, hourly is holding well, but we have a contraction in the hourly time frame. So if the market can break and hold below 1.0778, 775, there will be a chance for a downside movement, maybe we'll say towards 1.0710, 711 mark, hold back on the daily time frame. If not, market still re-break the pin bar high from yesterday, and the next resistance high is 1.08. Now we have a dollar index, so we had a fresh bear cross yesterday, and we traded below the lower Bollinger Band, middle Bollinger Band, but we have a contraction on the daily time frame, so we'd like to see more like a consolidation. Definitely broke the 20 bar moving average on the daily time frame, but I will again like to see more like a consolidation or maybe at least a free bar balance or something like that, and then watch for the breakout. Take a look at the hourly time frame. You can see that sellers are in control clearly on the hourly time frame, but want to see how market will react. Of the lower Bollinger Band and support around 104.68. On the Bitcoin, we spoke about this yesterday, and definitely the downside continuation. So that was a pretty much what we have here. Market is trading around 59,000 mark. You can see here there was a clear rejection of it. From my perspective, there's a short-term support at 64,000 and held pretty well. Down sloping, a middle Bollinger Band, and we are just around the key support. So I will say a 57,000 mark of the key support midterm for the Bitcoin. Because if we can really break that, and so then the next downside objective is all the way down around, I'll say 50,000, 50,000. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. You can see clearly the sellers are in control at this point, and there was no any kind of aggressive buying on the hourly time. This one is progressing pretty well for yesterday's update. On the gold market, what you can see here is there was a breakout of the upper Bollinger Band, but still resistance at 23.7. We have also the strong swing high at 23.84. So still, I will not say that we have any major breakout. I cannot consider this like any major breakout yet. Yes, the hourly, we finally broke this consolidation. Market traded like around $20, $25 upside on the gold market, and now it's just consolidation. Fast and slow liner slope downside. Go to the daily time frame. We might see the mini flip on the daily time frame. So again, it's trading near the resistance. It's still in the heavy consolidation, and I don't consider this like major breakout of this whole consolidation yet. So still watching for the breakout. Aluminium is just doing the consolidation, and we have big contraction of the Bollinger Bands. Eventual rebreak of 24.61 can be a good sign for a drop towards 1,300 mark. So that's something that I'm watching and waiting for, but we will see. So we need a patience here because of this tight consolidation. And on the cocoa market, we have a classical pullback on hourly, natural pullback. Might be interesting for the rally towards 96.67, especially because of the daily time frame. We had like a mini drift here on the daily around lower Bollinger Band, so there is always chance for market to this rally towards the middle Bollinger Band. And hourly time frame seems like we're building that, so pay attention also for this potential rally, the next reference. And that will be all for this daily FX Centrum market analysis. If you didn't visit our website, you can do that. So you can fxcentrum.com. You have FXCP. You can explore this and trading ideas, technical analysis, tutorials. You can also check if you want to become introduced broker, the benefits and what we offer, and so. And then you have, of course, you can open an account in just literally a couple of clicks. You can go from here, create an account, or here from trading in an account, have a demo account. And in the terms of promotions, there is a 100% deposit bonus, and there's something really boosts your account. So check on the website, go and check all about. And of course, once you open an account, you will be able to use our FX Centrum platform. So that'll be all for this daily FX Centrum market analysis. Have a good trading day and